Hello students, welcome to CMI's online classes, and this video is for class 7 chapter number 15 light. So in our previous video we talked about source of light, then luminous non-luminous objects, about shadows, and in this session we will be talking about reflection of light, refraction of light, types of mirrors. So let's start with so first of all we will talk about convergent, divergent and parallel beam of light. As we already discussed that light travels in a straight path. So what do you mean by convergent beam of light? So light rays comes together after reflection and refraction at a single point known as focus. That means that is called convergent. All light comes together and converges. Converge means meet at a point. And that is called focus. That's why we only say that focus the light on a particular object. So similarly, divergent beam of light. Light rays from a point source of a light travels in all directions, moving away with time. Such a beam of light is called a divergent beam of light. Means divergent means dividing, or scattering, or spreading in all directions. Then the third one is parallel beam of light. A parallel beam of light is light that is parallel to each other when coming from the source of light. That means neither they are converging nor they are divergent. That means they are in a parallel beam. So we can see the figure of parallel, which is all are in a parallel beam. That means not converging and not diverging. Then we have convergent beam of light. All light are converging at a one point. That is called focus. Then we have a divergent beam, the spreading of a light in many directions, a scattering of light. Now let's move to another part. As we all discussed that light travels in a straight line. We can have a cardboard experiment here. In this experiment we have a base, and we have placed 3 cardboards of similar size, and it has a hole in between, in the middle of the board. That means board A, board B and board C. And on the extreme right hand side we have placed a candle, and it is lit up. And if you see from the hole, we can see the flames. But the thing is that when any of this board is misplaced or moved, so there is a obstruction in the rays of light. So we can conclude that light travels in a straight path. So now let's move towards a reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection of light? So when a ray of light approaches a smooth polished surface and the light ray bounce back, it is called the reflection of light. And by this reflection of light only we can see the objects. The incident light ray which lands upon the surface is said to be reflected of the surface. The ray that bounces back is called reflected ray. We will talk in our next slide more about reflection of light. Simply we can say when a light approaches to a smooth surface, it is reflected back. Just see regular and diffuse reflection. So smooth shiny surface have a regular reflection. We have a smooth reflection here, the black one. And regular reflection is when light is scattered in same direction. That means the incident ray is equal to the reflected ray. Incident ray is equal to the reflected ray. Okay, that means red one, the angle of red one and the angle of the blue one is the same. So it is called regular reflection. Okay, so we have another thing, rough dull surface of diffused reflection. Diffused means it is not in a same angle. That means incident ray and the reflected ray is different. So diffused reflection is when light is scattered in different direction. It doesn't have a fixed direction, as we can see in the above figure. Okay. Okay. So what are the uses of mirrors? Mirror has great importance. Okay. We can see mirrors at our home, in the barber shop. Okay. Even vehicles also have mirrors. Okay. So use of mirrors. It is used as a periscope. What is periscope? Okay. Periscope is a device where it is a device which help us to see the objects, okay, which are above. Actually, it is mostly used in submarines. Submarines means the ship which is mostly found in under the sea. Okay, so to see what is at the surface of the water level, they use a periscope. Okay, it is a things which help us to see the above object. Okay. Then we have a car headlight. It is also a mirror. Okay, and mostly we can see the objects of the car is either curved. Okay, so and normal mirror we can see at our surroundings, like in a barber shop, at our dressing room. Okay. Okay, so we will talk about types of mirrors. So following are the types of mirrors that are most widely used. Number one is plane mirror. Okay, that you can see at our homes. Okay. Then we have a convex mirror. Okay, it is convex. Okay. Then we have concave mirror, like a cave, gufa. Okay, it is inside, concave, and convex is on the outer edge. We can see here plane mirror, the object is here and the mirror is here. In concave mirror, the object, it is an ancient man. Okay, it is inside the mirror, so it is concave. That's why I called it a cave. Then we have convex. The image is outside at the exterior of the mirror. Okay. Then we will towards plane mirror. So let's talk about plane mirrors. The image from a plane mirror are the reflected image in the normal proportion, but reversed from left to right. They are the most widely used mirrors. So plane mirrors, we can say that it is widely used mirrors. We can see everywhere. Okay, plane mirrors. And plane mirrors are flat and make virtual image. The image is virtual because the light rays do not come from the image. They only appear to. Okay, they look like only. Okay, and virtual means if you are standing in a mirror. Okay, your left will be opposite. Okay, we will have an opposite in left and right only, but the mirror will appear same, not inverted. Inverted means ulta. Okay, it is a real image. Okay, but it is a virtual image. So we can say here, look here, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So in a plane mirror, same thing happens. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, we can see in a plane mirror. Okay, so reflecting through spherical mirrors. So as we talked about plane mirror, let's talk about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror mostly includes concave mirror and convex mirror. And looking at these two factors only, lens also have been made. Concave lens and convex lens. Okay, so if the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave, that means like a cave, it is called as concave mirror. Okay, and if the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is convex, it is called a convex mirror. Okay, if it is concave, it is known as concave mirror, and if it is convex, it is known as convex mirror. Okay, the image formation in concave mirror is lateral, as we can see in the figure. Okay, it is lateral and inverted. It is lateral and inverted. Whereas in a convex mirror, the image that is formed is of small in size. Okay. So let's talk about convex mirror now. What are convex mirror? So they are spherical mirrors that is curved outward, and the image obtained is virtual, diminished and erect for a real object. Virtual means opposite from left to right, diminished means smaller in size, and erect. Okay, so convex mirror are used for security purposes in cars etc. They allow us to see a wide view. The image they make are virtual. Okay, these images or these mirrors can be mostly seen on the car mirrors. Okay, so that we can see each and everything behind us. Okay, as the mirror is small, but as already discussed that we can see the diminished form of an object. So we can see 2 to 3 cars or 2 to 3 bikes. Okay, so in a convex mirror. So use of convex mirror, where widely it is used. So convex mirror are used as a rear side of the car, on the driver's side of a car. Okay, in some countries they are labeled with safety warnings to warn the driver of the convex mirror, distorting effect of actual distance of the vehicle behind the driver. That means the vehicle which is seen on the mirror are actually not so far. Okay, it can be seen nearer, so that you can make a side or you can stop the car according to the distance of the car that is behind you. Okay, now let's talk about concave mirror. So a concave mirror are curved inwards. Curved means like a cave. Just remember, you go in a cave into a concave mirror. That means it's like a cave, gufa. Okay, so the inner portion where the image is formed is called a concave mirror. Concave mirror are spherical mirrors. They are round, that is curved inwards, and the image obtained from these mirrors depend on the placement of the object. Okay, that means where it is placed. Actually they form inverted images. Okay, as we can see in the candle, formation of image by concave mirror. Okay, so this is virtual and real image. Okay, sorry, inverted image, and the image form is inverted. That means ulta. Okay, upside down. Let's talk about its uses. Who uses concave mirror? So doctor use concave mirror for examining ears, eyes, ears, nose and throat. Okay, that means they can view in a clear way. So concave mirrors are also used by dentists to see an enlarged image of teeth. Okay. In convex mirror, the image are diminished, means smaller. But in concave mirror, we see the image larger than the actual image. Okay. The reflector of the torches, headlight of the cars and scooters are concave in shape. That means the headlights of cars and scooters are made of concave mirror, so that light can spread in the more larger directions. Okay.